So first, what even is a digital product? It's something you create once and you sell it forever. You don't need to bother about inventory, shipping, packing, sending it out to people. And it could be a masterclass, a template, a guide, an ebook, a challenge, a workshop. Basically, the format can be anything as long as it has value inside. And here's why I think it is one of the best side hustles out there. See, when you have a job or a freelance business, you trade time for money. You work and you get paid. If you stop working, the payment also stops. But that is not the case with digital products. You do the work once and then you can sell it 10 times, 100 times, 1000 times, and even more. The work does not multiply, but the income from the digital product can. My LinkedIn masterclass is a perfect example for this. I created it once, I uploaded it on YouTube, and every time someone buys it, I didn't have to do any additional work for that sale. And that's what I want for you as well. Now, how do you decide what your digital product should be? This is, I think, the part where most people get stuck. A lot of people think that I don't have anything worth selling, but that is not the case. If you have figured out something that someone else is still struggling with, you have a digital product. And you don't need to be the best person or a leading expert to be able to do this. You just have to be one step ahead of the person who needs what you know. So if you want to figure out what your digital product should be, I want you to sit with a few questions and answer them. What is something that people always keep asking you about? Your friends, colleagues, relatives, family. What is one thing that people keep asking you about? Second, what have you figured out that took you a long time to learn? Those things maybe seem very obvious to you right now, but they were not obvious when you started. And maybe if you are in a job, what problem do you solve every single day? For example, for me, people keep asking me about LinkedIn. I have 37,000 followers on LinkedIn. I create content that reaches a lot of people. A lot of people resonate with them. A lot of people enjoy reading them. So people keep asking me how to build a LinkedIn presence that can do that for them also. And since I had been doing this for myself for really long and also for my clients, I decided to package everything I know in a masterclass, and that's how my digital product was born. And always remember that your digital product should solve one problem for one specific person. It does not have to serve everyone out there. The more specific the problem is, the better it is for you to reach your target audience and sell it more. Now, how do you create the digital product? See, basically there are various ways to create this digital product. What I did is I created a video, or rather a tutorial. So if you want to do the same thing, then here's how to do it. You do not need any professional equipment or anything. Maybe just a mobile phone, a laptop, a mic, and maybe good lighting. That's more than enough. And here's the structure that I would recommend if you want to start a video-based digital product like mine. Start with the problem. What is the person who's watching struggling with? Start with that. Name it clearly so that they feel immediately that yes, this is for me. Then go into the solution step by step. Make it really easy, actionable. Share as many examples as you can and give them real practical information. And end with what's next. Like, give them something to take away, maybe something that they can do, or what are the steps that they should take so that they can see some kind of results. That's it. That's the format. Now you sit down and record the video. Even basic editing would do. You don't need to, make it really fancy or anything. Basic editing works as long as people are learning from the video. And upload it on YouTube as unlisted. When you upload on YouTube as unlisted, it doesn't show on the channel, and only those who have the link will get access to the video. It won't pop on any search or anything. Now, how do you host it or how do you sell it? I host my masterclass on Topmate. It is a platform that I really like. I think it's really easy to use, so I recommend it a lot. Topmate lets you create a page for your digital product. You can set the price, you can write the description and collect payments from it. And everything is in one place. It's simple, clean, and it works. So here's how to set it up. You go on to Topmate, you create an account, and then you add a new offer. Select the digital product option, add the link of your YouTube unlisted video, set your price and write the description, the heading, what's in the digital product. You will see different sections for everything, so fill those up and make sure you write it in a way that resonates with your target audience. That is when they will buy it. So when you are writing the description, your copy or the writing should answer three things clearly. What will your target audience learn? What problem does this digital product solve? And why should your target audience trust you? Be very specific. Do not use any complex or complicated terms. Mention the transformation in easy and simple words. And make sure to price it thoughtfully. Do not make it too expensive because that will create a lot of friction. Also, do not make it too cheap because then people will not give it the value that it requires. So find the sweet spot where you think it is accessible and valuable at the same time. Now, the most important part is marketing it. The main or the hard part is already done, but here's something that you need to keep doing. Just like I had created my digital product a year back and I market it till date. If I don't market it, then it will not sell. And marketing it becomes easy if you are already creating some kind of content anywhere. So for me, I have a presence on LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube also. And I promote my LinkedIn masterclass on all of these platforms. Now, how do you create content that will sell your masterclass? Here's what I do. I create content around the problem that my masterclass solves. For example, my masterclass teaches LinkedIn growth. So I create content about LinkedIn. What works, what doesn't work, what are the misconceptions that people have about LinkedIn, what is currently working on LinkedIn, what are the things that you should do on LinkedIn that will bring you results. These kind of content pieces attract people who are struggling with exactly what my digital product solves. And then naturally at the end of the content, I mention the masterclass. And I sometimes on Instagram, let's say I use automation. So I ask them to comment a keyword, and when they do it, the link automatically goes to them and then they decide if they want to get it. If they do get it, then I got my sale. Along with this, I keep sharing testimonials, screenshots of what my clients or students have said, real proof that the product has value and it can bring transformation. Now, I don't talk about it in every single post. I try to talk about it at least once every week on all the platforms, and I can actually talk about it even more. The more you talk about it, the more people will know about it and the more sales you will get. A lot of people also think that I cannot talk about it every day, I cannot talk about it all the time, but that is not the case. The more you talk about it and with more conviction you have while talking about it, that will actually make people get it. Now, how to keep selling your digital product long term? I created my LinkedIn masterclass a year back and I sell it till date, and that's the beauty of it. Because my LinkedIn masterclass has information that is still relevant, that is still what works on LinkedIn. Even if I created it a year back, people are still buying it, still learning from it, still applying it, and that is helping them build their LinkedIn personal brand. If I, let's say, want to refresh it, I can maybe add a new section to it. I can maybe recreate the video with same information and make a few tweaks here and there. I can update the landing page, and all of it will take me very little time. So basically, if you want to keep selling your digital product long term, you have to keep creating content. You have to keep marketing it. That's the way to do it. You don't have to do anything drastic to the digital product, but you have to do it on the marketing side. So keep working on your personal brand, keep growing it. The bigger your audience gets, the more people get to know about your digital product. And the more people know it, the chances of selling it becomes more. And that's how you'll be able to generate more passive income. And just don't stop talking about it. Like I already mentioned, every month, or rather every week also, new people are joining your audience who may not have heard about your digital product. They need to discover it too. That is why it is so important to talk more and more about it. So that's it. That's how you start a digital product business. And if you don't have it in 2026, I urge you to start it because it is one of the best ways to earn passive income. Whether you are in a job, whether you are a student, freelancer, you can be in any phase of life and it will work. And if you want to see what a finished digital product looks like, my LinkedIn Profile to Profit Masterclass is linked in the description. You can go and check it out. And I'll see you in the next video.